Welcome to Basic Education. Teacher. Teachers are very caring and loving people. They help us to learn a lot of new things. Doctor. A doctor is a very caring person. He takes care of us when we are sick or get hurt. Engineer. An engineer is a very creative person. He can build our houses, school, hospital, and other beautiful buildings. Farmer. Farmers are hard-working people. They grow all the vegetables, grains, fruit, everything that we eat are grown by the farmers. Police. Police are the people who keep us safe. They have guns and they keep the bad guys away. Nurse. Nurses are the people who help us in the hospitals. They assist the doctors when they operate. Sportsmen. Sportsmen are professional players. We cheer for them when they play a great game. Chef. Chefs are amazing cooks. They cook delicious food that we eat at the restaurants. Singer. Singers sing all the beautiful music and song that we hear. We see them at television, concerts. They are amazing people. Pilot. Ever wonder who flies the planes in the sky? It's the pilots. The pilots fly the planes in the sky.